In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom scroll bar in Elementor. Elementor, as you might know, is a fantastic tool for building and designing websites with ease, but sometimes the platform's default settings don't fully express the aesthetic you're going for. One such example is the default scroll bar, which can be a bit generic. That's where creating a custom scroll bar comes in handy. Not only does it add a unique touch to your website, but it also enhances the overall user experience. To start, open up your WordPress dashboard and navigate to your Elementor section. Here, you'll want to choose the page where you're thinking of adding this custom scroll bar. This could be your main web page, a portfolio page, or anywhere else you feel would benefit from that additional customization. Once you've decided on the spot, click on Edit with Elementor to enter the element editing interface. Once you've entered the Elementor editor, select the section or widget you would like to apply the custom scroll bar to. As you'll see, Elementor provides immense flexibility, allowing you to be specific about where this new scroll bar will appear. It could be a scrolling gallery, a lengthy text box, or any element that naturally invites scrolling. Next, navigate to the Advanced tab of the selected element. This is the area where a lot of the magic with custom CSS happens. Under the Advanced tab, scroll down until you find the Custom CSS section. If you're using the Pro version of Elementor, this section will be readily available. If not, you might need to explore alternative plugins or a child theme to incorporate CSS. In the Custom CSS box, you'll be entering code that defines the scroll bar's look and behavior. For a simple example, you can enter CSS code to change the scroll bar's color, width, and even its border radius for a sleeker effect. Imagine creating a narrow, vibrant magenta scroll bar with subtle rounded corners to match your website's theme. Enhance it further by defining hover states, so it changes color when the user interacts with it. This might involve writing something like WebKit Scrollbar for WebKit browsers to target the scroll bar and WebKit Scrollbar Thumb to adjust the thumb grip, which is the part of the scroll bar the user interacts with. After you've entered and fine-tuned your custom CSS, take a moment to preview the page. Ensure it's working just as you imagined. Sometimes CSS changes can require a bit of trial and error, so don't worry if you need to tweak your code a bit to get it perfect. Finally, once the custom scroll bar satisfies your creative vision, remember to hit the Save button. Customizing your scroll bar might seem like a small detail, but it's this attention to detail that can set your website apart. Give it a try with different styles and colors to see what resonates with the overall design. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!